Good job for keeping your camera charged. Holy good girl. Can we get a round of applause? Because I finally remembered to charge my camera. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another current favorites video. I feel like I've done favorites just like the last few months or so, like a lot of them, but also I haven't. It was my last video, I think was like 2 months ago, like end of July, early August, I don't know. Basically we're doing another favorites video because I'm running out of ideas currently for videos. So if you guys have any ideas for the fall, let me know down below because I am going to be doing a lot of fall videos. So please excuse if there's a lot of jump cuts in this video, more than normal. I woke up with a cough because I woke up and it was 40 degrees today. Like what? Hello Connecticut, how are you? So today I'm feeling a little bit like the change of the seasons is starting to get to me, but also please excuse if you hear noise in the background. David is vacuuming. That being said, if you want to hear about some of the things that I've really been loving the last few months, then keep watching. Let's just jump right in as usual. I have a broken nail. We're gonna fix that. I've just been surviving. But so far I have to say, I guess my first is polygel nails. They're so underrated. They're so good. These have lasted. I mean, I've had like one break and I've like glued it back together because that's me. This one also broke and I glued it back together, but then it broke again. So overall, I think polygel is definitely the way to go for me because like they're lasting on me, and you guys know I like my nails long. Polygel, definitely a favorite. I'm very happy that I bought all the things off Amazon and I've been doing my nails. So hopefully tonight I'm gonna do my nails, if not tomorrow. And also obviously butterflies. There's butterflies in my nails right now. If you guys saw on my Instagram and on my shirt today, like butterflies have just been very trendy, but also very resonating with me. I've seen a lot of monarch butterflies lately, which means a lot to me. It kind of has, again, something to do with the tattoo I'm gonna be getting next month. So there's also that. Moving on, first thing, since I'm feeling a little under the weather, I guess it's kind of fitting that I just talk about vitamins. I showed these on my TikTok before. VitaFusion Vitamin D3 for bone and immune system support. The reason I started taking these was just a little vain of me. Like that's like my dad's side coming through like, hi. My mom has been so tan this summer. She hasn't really been out that much and my mom gets like really tan. And I was like, oh my gosh, how are you so tan? She's like, honestly, vitamin D. So I was like, ooh, I should take vitamin D so I can be tan all year long. But then I also saw that it has like bone and immune system support, and obviously there's been a lot more cases coming up in Connecticut, probably around the country as well, since kids have started going back to school. So I definitely wanted to start taking vitamins. I've been taking these every single day since I got them. I got this huge bottle from Sam's Club. This was 275 gummies, so this is gonna last a while. And then I got these a while ago. My friend Alba, she is a nurse, and she told me about elderberry, that they are very good for your immune system. So don't quote me on this, okay? I'm just trying to stay healthy. I don't want this COVID crap, even though I think I already had it in January, but that's another story. I've been taking these as well. I take one of these a day and also with 2 vitamin D gummies, and that's just how I've been living lately. And I feel like they have been helping me a lot. I also think that my immune system is like starting to build up more since I'm back in childcare consistently for 3 years now. So it's been really, really nice. On to some other things. This is like kind of random. I started using this when I forgot my makeup bag at my mom's one day. This is the I'm gonna try and like my worst accent, Eau-Thermale Avene Thermal Spring Water, which is anti-irritant and for sensitive skin. I think I got this in a FabFitFun box, and I've just been using it to spray my face before I do my makeup with my primer and foundation and everything. And it's actually kind of nice. The sprayer's like really nice too. It has a nice mist to it. Since everyone is like not about Mario Badescu sprays anymore, I figure this would be like a good alternative for now. I've really been trying to down all of my stashes, which has been so good. Like my makeup stash, my like beauty stashes, like we're cutting it down. Like I don't really buy a lot of stuff anymore, which is great. This was one of the things, and it's actually pretty good. I'm not sure how much it costs though, so I mean it's just water. You could easily put water in a spray bottle and spray your face, you know, like you don't have to go spend however much this is. Since I had it, it's just been really nice and convenient for me. On to some makeup products. So I don't think anyone likes Tati anymore and I feel so bad because I love her. She mentioned this a while ago and I did try it and I was like, I don't think I really like it. I think I told you guys in the video I didn't really like it, but it's kind of grown on me, so yeah. Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Powder. This is only like $5 at the drugstore, and it is so good. It really sets my makeup, and since I wear a mask all day and I do still wear makeup, not lipstick, but you get what I mean. This really does help to hold my makeup on all day, and it's really, really nice. And although makeup still does come off on my mask, it's still like my makeup still looks flawless basically at the end of the day. This is really good too for like baking under my eyes because I do have very oily, acne prone combo sensitive skin. As I keep repeating in every video, I feel like this powder has been really, really good for me, and I do like it. And compared to spending like, oh, I don't know, $30 on a Laura Mercier one or whatever one, I'm trying not to use up my Kylie one so much because I love that powder to death, but I just don't want to spend like $30 every time it runs out. This has been a little bit more cost friendly for me. Please excuse my eyebrows today, by the way. They really need to get plucked, and I've just been lazy in plucking them. I also got this in a FabFitFun box. This is the Winky Lux Unibrow Universal Brow Pencil. I've heard a lot of girls talk about this on TikTok specifically, and I really like it. I think I'm back to being a pencil girl because it just looks a little bit more natural for me than just doing pomade, because pomade, it's like literally painting on your brows. I've always never been a girl do like, oh, flick the bristle, like when you put it on, like, oh, flick the bristles, like act like you're making bristles with your pencil or your pomade. I'm like, nah, I just draw it on, I'm done. Like, I'm just like, I'm that girl, like I'm that that will just draw it on and be done. Like, I don't have time to just be sitting there, oh, let me just like, no, just, no, we're done, just fill it in where it needs to be, make it look like a brow, and be done with it. Like, that's just me. I don't have time for it. And but if you do, that's great for you out there, but for me, I tried to do it like that in the past, and it just doesn't work. And my eyebrows are already so thick on their own that by me doing that, I feel like I'm just making them even thicker. So just by like doing this and just doing simple like shaping, whatever, it just cuts the time in half, and it looks decent for me, and I like it, and that's all that matters. Throwback to like 4 years ago when you guys told me like, Sam, your brows are really awful, they're really huge, you need to calm down, and I didn't listen to any of you, and I said you, and now I'm regretting it, so I apologize, because that was a time. So to go with brows, I also have another TikTok product. This is the Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara Style and Comb. A lot of people said like this is amazing. A lot of people are like, oh my god, it sucks, it doesn't work. Me, I mean, it's kind of in the middle. It depends on the day, to be honest. Like now I can see like a few hairs like breaking free. We're breaking free. For the most part, this is actually a pretty good brow gel. I do like it for the price, and I do like the packaging. I think it's like really cool with like the clear and the blue in there, but this is only like $4 or $5 at Ulta. It's not bad. Like, I think I will repurchase it because it, for the most part, it does hold my brows in place. Does it do it 100%? Not completely for me, but again, I do have really thick eyebrows too, so maybe that also has a lot to deal with it, and they are very overgrown right now. Noticed I have been doing wing liner on the weekends. I don't do it during the week. I don't have time. I'm just like, I ain't got time for that. I work with kids 5 days a week. Like, I don't have time for it. I have really been loving this eyeliner I started using. I don't remember where I got this from. I think it might have been a FabFitFun box. I don't remember. I know that I had 2 of these, and I gave one to my sister. I got one of them in like a subscription in FabFitFun, and I think I got one from that box Danielle got me for Christmas. I don't remember. This is the Tarte Sex Kitten Black Liquid Liner, and I am so obsessed with it. And first of all, the packaging, like there's a cute little kitty on it, like hello, hi, cat mom. And it is just so black, as you guys can see. Like, it's, oh gosh, I love it. I absolutely love it. It's very easy to work with. I don't know if they're all normally this size, but it's a very decent like size for me. It's not too big, not too small. I could easily like work with it, and not nice and easy and compact. Put it on, I'm done. And it's very easy to work with too, so that's another thing that I like, because I'm still trying to get back into my groove of wing liner. So like when you haven't done it for a long time and you're trying to do it again, like awful. You don't want to spend the money on this. Elf makes a really good one as well that I really love a lot, the fat one. So good. Benefit Boing Cakeless Concealer. Again, bought this a while ago. It was in my stash. I was like, you know what? We're going to use it. I showed this on my TikTok. This is the current concealer I'm using because I decided to be done with my e.l.f. one because I felt like it was kind of getting gross because I've had it for months and months and months, and it just was like, I don't know, it was starting to get a little nasty in the tube. I switched to this one. First off, the packaging. So cute and adorable. Looks like a pencil. I love school supplies and stuff, so like this is just so cute. This is so cute. I'm in the color number 3. It's probably again too light for me, but I think it does like a decent job. Overall, I do like this concealer. It doesn't cake on me at all. It doesn't really crease. It still looks nice at the end of the day when I get out of work, that sort of thing. I work 8 hours a day, so like by the end of the day, this is still holding up, and I'm sweating and I'm wearing a mask, and it just looks really nice under my eyes. Of course, I'm still gonna stand by the e.l.f. regular concealer, not the I don't really like the hydrating one on me. personally. I think it just doesn't do as good of a job, but that's just with me. I do stand by the concealer that has the black cap on it. For $5, that one works just as well, if not better, than this one, or about the same, to be completely honest. And this is like retail for like $30. So like when this is out, like I'm gonna be done with it. That's it. This is just really random and I'm gonna be out of it soon. But MAC Fix Plus setting spray has always like been one of my favorite setting sprays of all time. The sprayer, the fact you can lock it. This is one of the little watermelon ones I bought when they were limited edition. I'm like almost done with it. I love the packaging though. It's so cute because wham, hello. I'm absolutely in love with it. Love the sprayer on it, everything about it. But just in general, I just want to say MAC Fix Plus. What's a Fix Plus? A Fix Plus. What's a Fix Plus? MAC Fix Plus setting spray, if you want a higher end one, is so good. Of course, I love the NYX one. I love all the other drugstore ones I've used. I don't know, MAC Fix Plus just like hold a special place in my heart, but that's just me. Morphe, the Morphe Sweet Peach one, that's my favorite. All right, now we're gonna move on to like some other random things very quickly. So first, I mentioned this in my hair video. I still really love this stuff. So shout out to Kayleen for introducing this to me. The Joico K-Pack Deep Penetrating Reconstructor for Damaged Hair. This is literally all I've been using every single week as she told me to, because it's so good and it really helps to bring life back into my hair since I'm blonde. And I am going to be, actually I have to tone it, so I am going to tone it probably this weekend. Really helps with like the frizziness and to not have my hair feel as dry since it's bleached. It's really great. I love it a lot. If you're looking for a higher end reconstructor or hair mask for your hair, this is really good. I'm in love with it. I have to get another one because I'm like running out. So as far as skincare, I've been changing it up a little bit. I ran out of some things, stopped using this e.l.f. oil on my face because I was like, Sam, you get oily. Why are you putting more oil on it? It's just making a mess and I already have masking. Like, let's not do this. So I actually ended up using the e.l.f. Happy Hydration Cream with hemp-derived cannabis sativa, which we all know what that means, so I'm not gonna explain it. I feel like hemp and CBD and all of those things are so good for my skin because immediately when I started using this, like I feel like it really helped. I mean, along with some of the other products I use too, but I feel like this is one of the things that's really been helping my skin as well, and be hydrated but not too oily, just like perfect. And it literally seeps right into the skin, doesn't sit on top, just makes my skin feel so nice. And I feel like it's really been making a difference. So this is what the tiny packaging looks like. This is part of like a little 3-pack that I bought, 4-pack. Target sells it, obviously e.l.f. It's really good, especially if you have dry skin. Hydration, yes. Since it's gonna be winter soon, I want like a little bit of hydration in my face because I know it's not the business. Peter Thomas Roth Rose Stem Cell Bio Repair Cleansing Gel. Since I finished my Soap and Glory one, I decided to switch to this one since I already had it in my stash. I got it from TJ Maxx. It's really pretty in color. I remember Tana talked about this like years ago when I was watching her, and I was like, ooh, and it has like stem cells in it that repairs, renews, illuminates skin. 5 Protect Reparative 4 Rose Extracts with glycolic acid help repair the signs of aging for all skin types. Like, yes, I'm trying to fight aging, okay? I'm not 30 yet, but I'm still trying to fight the aging. So I'm really in love with this. It's not too overwhelming of a scent where I'm like, oh, I can't use this. It's like a nice little light rose scent, so it doesn't bother me too much. Like, this has been really great for my skin lately too. It's really been helping with my acne. Maskne is seriously real. Like, I can't even. This has really been helping with that as well. And I just feel like my face just feels a lot better, kind of going back to how my skin was during quarantine, which I felt like it was so good. Like, oh my gosh, it was so good. So I don't really know if this works. Like, I feel like it does. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow BHA and BB. It's a toner for your face. It's hydrating, okay? That's all I know, and it's supposed to help tighten your pores. Notice just a difference using products lately on my face together because my pores don't feel as huge. Like, my face doesn't look as like bumpy. My acne scars are kind of starting to dissipate, which is so nice, and I really do like this a lot. I use it with some reusable cotton pads after I wash my face with my brush and my cleanser, and it just gets off all the extra dead makeup and nasty stuff on my face. It's so good. I really like it. But I don't think I am gonna repurchase it after. Maybe I will. I don't know, because this is like a big price, you know. I do really like it because obviously watermelon. Glow Recipe is like my favorite. Watermelon's my favorite, but I've learned to use watermelon skincare very sparingly because watermelon is hydrating. It's supposed to hydrate your face. If you have oily skin, you don't need extra hydration. You're already hydrated. Or at least in my case, that is. And my last skincare product I wanted to briefly share. I went to Ulta, literally just bought these and walked out. Like, who am I? I don't do that. Sam doesn't do that. Like, what planet am I on? I don't know. These are the Truly #LoveYourImperfections 36 acne patches, drug-free and non-drying, protects for faster healing. So I thought originally these were kind of like those mighty patches everyone's been talking about, where it literally like pulls the gunk out of your acne. It doesn't. It just covers them for the night so that they can heal up, which I was kind of disappointed. But at the same time, I feel like it kind of helped because I had like a whole bunch like forming right here on my chin. I put a whole bunch of them on one night. The next day they kind of felt like flattened out a little bit, and then one of them ended up popping, and then it was fine, and now it's all healed up. So I think these do kind of help. I don't know. It says that they work by absorbing pus and fluids. I don't really think it does that, to be honest, at least in my case, but I could be wrong. So let me know down below if you've used these or the hemp ones, if those are better. But I don't know, I figured I'd try them because mask me, like I can't, I'm dying. Finally, the last thing I just wanted to briefly mention, this is from last year. I don't think you can get this anymore, so I apologize. Guarantee, watch you guys, pay attention though, because they're probably gonna put out something that's different, but it's the same exact scent, because Pink and Victoria's Secret and I learned Bath & Body Works repackage and resell their scents every year as new scents. So just pay attention to that. This is the Cocoa Sugar and Spice Lotion. That is coconut oil hydrating body lotion with ginger essential oil. This came around the holidays, but it smells very fall-like to me, so I'm really obsessed with it. And obviously the packaging got me. It's like sparkly too. Very cute. It smells like fall to me, but it also smells like winter and Christmas. I don't know. It's been really nice for my skin, very hydrating, and it works really well. Although again, I'm just not a huge fan of Pink lotions anymore. Like their body care, like I'm just kind of like trying to stay away from it, but also like I like the packaging and I think it smells good, so I buy it. It's complicated, yes. I really like it a lot. So if you do happen to go into Pink this holiday season, pay attention to the scents, because they always repackage them every single year. How many times have I bought a new like body spray and it's literally the same exact scent as the one that came out the year before? So just pay attention to that. Find any that has ginger essential oil and coconut oil body lotion. So good, smells really nice. Last but not least, I have to shout her out again. I know this video is already really long, but I had to do it. Ariana Grande, I guess it's R-E-M, not Rem, but I'm saying Rem, so whatever. The Ariana Grande R.E.M. Rem perfume. This is the medium size. I did not get the large one. You guys already know the story. I bought this for my mom for her birthday because she's been loving Ariana's fragrances, and I decided to buy it for myself as well because like a new perfume. Hi. First of all, love the packaging, love the crystals. You guys know I've been trying to be more spiritual with crystals and just like my intuition and stuff like that, just like with eating and just in general, and this has just been nice to add to that kind of. And it also like shines a rainbow on the ground when like the sun shines through it. There's like a rainbow. It's a really nice scent, and again, as I said in my haul video, if you guys didn't watch that, I'll link it down below. It is a combination of the scent of her Cloud scent and her Thank You Next scent, as far as I'm concerned. It's a really nice combo of both, because I don't really like Cloud that much, but I love Thank You Next, and my mom doesn't like Thank You Next. She loves Cloud, but this is like a perfect happy medium. Our favorite perfumes together. My favorite, I've been using it quite a bit. As you guys can see, I've used a lot off the top every morning before I go to work. A few spritz and I'm good. Oh, spray it right now. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. I just love Ariana's fragrances. She's just really killing it. I might be late to the game. I'm sorry. If I could talk normally, then I can end this video, but that is everything I wanted to share with you guys. I've been obsessed with